Welcome to What's This? So today I will open my Doraemon backpack dough set. Now let's open it.
Let's see what's inside.
Yeah.
What do you think is inside?
Oh,
Looks like that.
yeah.
Oh, that's Doraemon and
His friend.
friends.
Oh, so here's the Play-Doh. Oh.
So there is this one like this. So you have Play-Doh set. Okay, you get it here.
Oh, there. Oh, hey. And the others. Oh, yay. Oh, there.
That's nice.
I have all Play-Dohs.
How many?
I have,
Can we count?
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cool.
I have 4. And now,
And what are the colors? Can you tell us what are the colors?
So there are blue, like Doraemon,
Where
yellow
is the blue?
here.
All right.
And there's yellow, like this guy, we don't know.
All right.
And pink,
All right.
this girl, we don't know.
Okay.
And red, like this kid, we don't know.
We will know. I think this one is Doraemon.
Yeah,
And this one is Nobita.
Nobita.
Yeah.
And we also have accessories. Things for Play-Doh.
What is that?
Molder. Oh, yay. I got Doraemon out.
This one is?
Knife.
This one is the?
Knife.
Okay. What else? Oh, I think you have your one.
Yeah, that was so funny. Ooh, yay. The shaper got out. I'll flip it. Now this. Oh, yeah. There. Shaper.
And the last is?
Roller. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah. Now let's play with this. Oh, the
Okay.
one.
Tell us. Oh,
This one.
who is this?
Doraemon.
This one.
Nobita.
Very good. This one? Suneo.
Suneo.
This one? This is
This is
Takeshi.
Takeshi. So
And this one is Shizuka.
she is a guy.
Alright.
Now I'll open it. Yellow, blue, red, pink.
But it doesn't look like pink.
Ugh. I took the Play-Doh out.
Oh, open it.
Guys, I opened it. Now let's open this one. Use blue for Doraemon. Oh, blue. Squish. It's squishy. Oh. Oh, press. Now put it here. Now take out the extra. Take out the extra.
You can use this.
Oh, thanks. Huh? What? Look at him! Yes, finally. Oh. We could also use the cover as molder. I'm gonna make it in smooth.
And then
I'll have to smush it.
wow.
I think I'm done.
Alright.
And now let's use the cookie cutter. I always,
Is that like that or the upside? Okay.
yeah, this is like it. Yes. Press, 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 press. Here. Only use the cutter. This one. This one. The extras remove. Look.
Cute.
Yeah. Let's put her with the rainbow in. Oh, that was fun.